Hello friends, welcome to Design Space India. In our previous video tutorial we explored the contract document in depth. Today we will find out classification of different types of interior design projects. So let's get started. The first type of classification of the interior design project can be done on the basis of age of the property. 1. Renovation design projects. As the name itself is self-explanatory, that few years after the construction, the project is identified under the renovation category. It can change from project to project basis. More the age of the property, more are the maintenance and civil work services required. 2. A newly constructed property. These type of projects have lesser service requirements in terms of civil work, maintenance, plumbing or waterproofing. In rarest cases when the client plans to make civil changes, then only these projects require more services than usual. The second type of classification of the interior design project can be done on the basis of functional usage of the space of the property. Under this, a project can be segregated in residential, commercial, office, retail, hospitality. Also there are further more types is explored. The third type of classification of the interior design project can be done on the basis of internal partitioning of the space. So if it's a residential project, the internal spaces can be living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, dining areas, bathrooms. There are more internal spaces like entrance foyer, study rooms, home theaters, balconies, terraces, storerooms and more. The fourth type of classification of the interior design project can be done on the basis of services required for the space, like we discussed earlier in new project and renovation project. Here services are of two types: civil work related, which are demolition, in case breaking of existing flooring, partition walls, counters, wall tiles, changes in the size of fenestration, demolition services are required. Reconstruction, relocating partition walls, relocating kitchen counters, new flooring or wall tiles are recognized in reconstruction. Waterproofing, ensure any leakages in roof, walls and floor are something which is very critical. Plumbing, all the bathrooms, kitchens and laundry areas require plumbing for efficient water supply as well as effective drainage. Tiling and framework, when there are door frames, window frames, kitchen counters, staircase treads and risers to be done in stone or tiles. Non-civil work related services, which are false ceilings. The ideal way to give your interior design a complete look is done with false ceilings. Electrical, general electrification with respect to the approved furniture layout always provides you the ease of connectivity of different electrical and electronic devices and appliances. Carpentry, fixed or movable custom designed furniture to suit the theme of your house. Painting, colors can bring joy, colors can change the mood and effect of your space. Polishing, the finesse and elegance to all wooden surfaces are few of the non-civil services. We are coming up with a series of tutorials for each service in depth, so stay tuned for it and subscribe. Design Space India. Classification of the interior design project based on the scope of work. There are two possibilities that a client approaches a designer with: 1. End-to-end turnkey solution, a comprehensive interior design assignment where there is a substantial role for the designer. 2. Partial interior design services are where a designer has a limited or specific role or specific area to be designed in a bigger space. These were some of the types of classification of the interior design projects. We hope that you are liking our content shared so far and are eager for our upcoming interesting topics. Thank you very much friends for so far supporting us with our initiative. We hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. This is a humble effort to bring ethical practices in interior design to light with unbiased opinions for benefits of the clients as well as the designers. We need your support for the same. If yes, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe your own YouTube channel, Design Space India, where you get to know tips and tricks related to interior design absolutely free. The next topic will unfold the types of interior design practices. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are shared in description. See you next time.